Greetings, my fellow foolish mortal, and welcome to the Scare Factor. Tonight we're up here at the 13th Hour haunted house in Indianapolis, Indiana. We're gonna take you guys with us as we travel back in time. This is another haunt in Indiana that's always at or near the top of the charts, and we're gonna take you inside and show you why. So without further ado, let's go in and get some scares.
Tyler, we think that looks pretty sus.
That's very sus.
He's definitely a little sus.
Oh!
So we're going down this weird closed off road.
Uh-huh, closed off, yes. There's a lot of noise over there.
There is.
We walk towards the danger.
We're either adventurous or not very smart, one of the two.
I'm going with adventurous.
I'm going with not very smart.
Right.
So that one said Widow's Walk Cemetery, I think?
It's an orphanage! That's new. The orphanage is new.
The Cathedral of Souls?
That one's back. Yeah. The Sharpe family.
Oh, God!
Yeah!
It's a tree man.
It's a tree man.
Oh, it's a tree man.
And then the Sharpe family orphanage. And then mine number 13.
Uh-oh.
What could they mean?
This is so freaking cool.
Ooh, that looks good.
Listen to the clock. Oh, this is so cool.
So obviously there's a real heavy time travel theme going on here. This is all just the waiting line. We're getting ready to go see Lady Car Talker, and she's gonna take us back in time to where the real scary stuff is.
Thank you. Oh!
Travelers will be scanned prior.
Be scanned.
Hello, and welcome to Car Talker Expeditions, where your only limit is our imagination. I'm Lady Car Talker, one of the many dedicated timekeepers who will be leading your expedition today. We will transport you into the 13th hour, an experience that transcends time, place, and expectations. You never know what's lurking in the dark. And thank you for trusting the master with your soul. We look forward to seeing you again for a future trip.
Hi!
Hi!
Come in!
Okay. Hi!
Welcome to Car Talker Expeditions. I need to scan all of you and make sure you're not taking any little nasty buggies into the time machine.
He's gonna check us out.
Very bad.
They're not gonna let Tammy in.
Yes.
We're getting scanned.
Attention time travelers. Please stand clear of the doors. Face forward and prepare to be
What's forward? What's forward?
5, 4, 3,
That way?
2,
That way?
1.
Yeah. Oh God.
Anomaly detected.
That way.
Yes, you're all dirty birds. Come in here.
We're dirty?
Quickly.
I could have told you
Get
that.
you all cleaned up. This is all perfectly safe.
No,
Just,
it's not.
Whatever you do, don't breathe.
Don't breathe.
Don't breathe.
I think he's lying.
Said don't breathe.
I don't like it.
I don't like it.
Did it clean us? Oh, God!
All clean.
Bay number 1.
Bay number 1.
This is still the line. What? You gotta go to Bay 1.
Welcome, guests! Come in. Welcome to Car Talker Expeditions. I am Lady Car Talker, your timekeepers. Tonight we'll be time traveling through the past to a year of your choice. Which year in the past shall it be?
1913.
1913. What an excellent choice. Brace yourself. It's a bumpy ride.
Am I gonna fall again?
It's a bumpy ride.
Think of, oh! No.
Heinrich has taken over quickly through the time portal.
Through the portal.
Find the widow.
Into the portal.
Find the widow.
Oh, widow, where art thou?
Oh, what is that? Oh, gosh. Ooh, that one's neon.
Welcome to 1913.
Oh!
Oh yeah. That's us.
Yeah.
Crazy.
Yes.
This
Oh, we're going
is
out of the
awesome.
coffin
That's amazing. They just buried us.
into the cemetery.
We crawled our way out of the coffin.
We did.
I can smell your blood sacrifice.
Oh,
Doesn't it
that'd
smell
be
nice?
Master won't mind if I have a taste.
Oh, God. From the vampires.
Hello.
Oh, what is it? That looks like a vampire. It looks like a vampire. Quiet, you won't hear us.
Oh, there's a little crow up there.
There is, up there. Oh,
creepy out here. Oh gosh. Uh-oh. I don't know about it. Oh goodness, the statue. Really good. Listen. That's Tammy. Oh goodness. Look at that. That's so cool. She's crying into the fountain. Tammy.
I saw that. She's upset.
Aww. Widow?
Widow?
Are you the widow? Oh my goodness, that's a zombie.
I did not see him.
I didn't either until it started moving. This is all so different. Oh goodness.
Definitely agitated.
Oh, are you the widow?
I would assume so.
Have you seen my husband? Please.
I don't believe so.
My husband. His name is Heinrich.
Oh.
Please, have you seen him?
Not today.
He's probably around here somewhere.
Oh! Jesus Christ.
He wouldn't leave me.
Okay, we'll find Heinrich.
That's what they all
There's
say.
that statue. We gotta look for Heinrich.
Oh,
Oh. Ew, what in the world are those faces?
Their faces.
They're faces.
Their heads.
Oh, that's creepy. Oh, I don't trust it.
Wow.
Oh my gosh. It's all sideways and stuff.
Uh-oh. Yeah, let's go into that one.
Oh gosh, okay.
Oh, yes, hello.
Oh, they're down there. They look good though.
I heard it.
Where? Right there.
Right there.
Ha! I hear you in there. Stuff. What in the world? Oh my God. Tyler, our crypt is still here.
Oh, yeah.
The prophet crypt.
Oh, he's angry.
Tyler, I don't know if that's you or not, but Oh gosh. Oh, that one's a good one. Uh-oh. Hey, that one's still with us. I hear you growling. I don't have anything for you. I have nothing. It's a ghost. I don't trust it.
It's okay.
Oh, where's the zombies?
Oh,
Probably not.
are you the widow?
He only used me to get to my family's orphanage.
Probably.
Wow. Heinrich Chapel and all who seek him.
Oh, that's not me.
We are definitely
We are not looking for
Chapel.
Heinrich. Oh my God. Dinner? No, we are not dinner. Oh, you scare me. He looks good, but he's
I
scary.
hate when that happens.
Fruit of his selfishness and greed.
Yes.
My revenge will know no bounds.
Oh,
I'm
God.
not looking for
She
Heinrich.
sounds angry.
Oh, Jesus. It's the third time.
Oh, God, we gotta go this way.
She's not happy.
Right there.
Archbishop.
Come forward, let me see all of you. Are we friends? Are we family? Who are we this night?
Both.
Both.
We're friends and family. Excellent. Now, let me guess. A crazy lady in a time machine sent you here, yes?
Yes.
Yep.
Did she tell you how to get back?
She said to look for Heinrich.
Interesting. You don't want to find Heinrich.
That's what we were told.
You need to find Esther.
Esther.
Now you see, she is locked inside of the Sharpe family orphanage on the far side of the cathedral.
Oh.
She is the key to your safe passage.
Esther.
Heinrich Chapel is the one you need to watch out for. Should you run into him, you need to make a sacrifice, a soul to burn so that the others may return from whence you came. Belia, behemos, levanta ta kala. Should the master call, you're the one that answers.
Oh.
You're all guilty!
That's right.
Yeah, I did it.
Oh my goodness. There's too many windows. I don't like it. I don't know what it means.
Oh, I don't like this.
Oh, man.
Oh my God. That is creepy.
Oh, what the hell?
I don't know. Where in the world? Oh my God, up there.
Oh, God.
Yeah!
Whoa.
That was awesome.
Why do I feel like I've had fireball?
Wow.
Why don't you want to marry me?
Oh gosh, this church has come down.
Uh-oh.
This must be the orphanage.
We're at the orphanage.
Now this is where Esther is.
Esther!
Does that mean there's children in here?
Oh no, there's something right there.
Welcome to Sharpe Family Orphanage. Oh look! Oh, so many new orphans joining us this evening.
Oh,
You're both late to class.
we're all late. Story of my
Let's
life.
go, you bunch of sinners. How dare you come into my classroom screaming and yelling? There's no swearing in my classroom.
I didn't swear.
Jesus. Ow. Don't touch my literature.
Okay. Tiny.
It definitely makes you feel kind of strange. Oh my God.
What in the world? Oh my God.
Oh my. Look at her.
What did you do to get the dunce cap?
Cannot be trusted.
I don't trust
What is
anything.
that?
I don't trust anything.
That's nightmare fuel. Oh, I don't like it. Oh! You go away. Okay.
My name is Esther Sharpe.
Esther!
Esther! And I in chapel, he sacrificed my sister Agatha to the master, yes, the master. A high, powerful being he may be, but a forgiving one he is not.
Spiders. Oh, what was that? Something's
evil.
whispering.
The hour is
Oh.
upon us.
Yes,
and
it
Heinrich
is.
is nearly ready to begin tonight's ritual.
Wonderful.
Ritual.
Preparations must be made to the bodies, bound in burlap beneath the grave for all of eternity.
Oh my God. That's really cool.
Bloody beating hearts, ready for the sacrifice. Hurry now, mortals.
Okay, okay.
Waiting.
Nothing about this looks okay.
No, it doesn't. Tammy, I don't know if they're real.
Oh!
He gets me every time. I saw that, but then I didn't know it was gonna do that.
Welcome, my friends. Welcome. My name is Heinrich Sharpe. I am the vessel through which the Master's great work is done. Which one of you is the sacrifice?
Right here.
The cat one's this good.
That guy.
Do you swear to uphold your duty as the sacrifice, my friend?
Yeah.
Excellent. That's what I like to hear. The only way forward is below. To the mines you will all go. Good luck, my friends. You're gonna need it.
Oh, hello. But this is a really cool setup.
So once you get through the first part of the hunt, you get to a midway section here and they're calling it Purgatory. There is a wet bar here and all kinds of photo ops. There's a little fire pit, places to sit down and take a break. Already blown away by everything we've seen so far, but there is still more to go, so let's head into the mine shaft.
Oh no.
Oh, hello.
Oh, good.
Oh, that's a werewolf.
Watch out for the werewolves.
Ow.
Oh,
Oh,
no,
there's
the
something
pocket.
over there. Phone pocket. Oh.
Oh,
My goodness. He's
think he's got a
grunting now. That's a bird. Oh. Oh my God. This is the mine. Oh God, oh God, oh God.
I don't like it.
Oh, good.
Oh, hello.
More specimens along.
Yeah, that's
Okay.
specimens.
More specimens?
Why do I feel like something's gonna pop out?
Uh-oh.
I feel
This
like
is
it's a
Bushman
bushman.
territory.
Oh,
It's
God.
gonna be a bushman.
Prime
Breathing the fumes.
The fumes?
What does the fumes do?
fumes in the mine shaft.
The's feet. There is a
There's
bushman.
gotta be a Bushman.
Run!
Oh, that's a big Bushman!
Watch your head! Master's way.
God. They're done. Oh! Oh!
Let's go!
What is that? I don't know. I don't know.
Ow!
Oh, well, that's a good distraction, but
Oh,
oh my God.
those came down.
We're getting with it now. He's missing an arm.
Uh-oh.
Whoa!
Oh,
Uh-oh.
God.
Where was that?
From up there.
Where was that?
They come from up high.
Oh! Oh! What? What is that? Oh, it's a
It's a
plant.
giant bush monster.
Oh no! Tammy. Shoot! We are beeped. We are beeped. Oh no! Okay, that's not a spider.
This is horrible.
This is really horrible. Ah! Oh my God! Oh God!
Oh, spider
Go,
people.
Tammy, go! Ah! Absolutely not.
You keep coming back.
I know. I do like you, but from a distance. I don't like the spiders.
When they're big enough, they can vocalize. That's a bad thing.
What the hell was that? What was that?
Oh my!
Oh my.
Hello, friend.
I don't know if that's a friend.
Oh God.
I go this way. All right.
Hello!
Hello.
You're stuck between time and space. To make it out of here alive, go through this way.
This way.
Are you file line, please?
All the color.
Tammy?
Yeah.
Front.
Delete in the dark.
What is going on? Why is it so dark?
It's because we're dead. We died.
Ow! Okay. We're good.
Oh my. Angry monsters.
What is it? Uh-oh. Oh, crap.
I don't like it.
They're gonna portal us back somewhere.
Or are they portaling us?
Out of time.
Definitely. Not. Oh.
Uh-oh.
Not good. Did we?
Oh,
Oh.
Oh.
thank you. Why do you have an arm?
All right, folks. Well, that was it for 13th Hour up here in Indianapolis, Indiana. Let us know what you thought. If you want to see some more awesome haunts from up here in Indianapolis, I got one for you right here. I will see you in that video. Until then, stay scary.